Caffeine can have a negative effect on the brain. New research suggests that consuming large amounts of caffeine daily may inhibit or limit the brain's ability to learn and remember. Although these studies were conducted on a small number of participants, they nevertheless deserve attention. The study results were published in Frontiers in Psychiatry. Thanks to their ability to block adenosine, a signaling substance in the brain that helps us feel sleepy at the right times. Coffee and other caffeinated drinks have a reputation for increasing alertness. But adenosine also affects a process called long-term potentiation, LTP, which regulates the efficiency of synaptic transmission. In other words, this process regulates how nerve cells in the brain strengthen connections with each other, which is considered crucial to the learning process. Scientists from the Neuromodulation Research Center at Butler Hospital in Rhode Island, USA, analyzed brain signals related to learning and memory storage in 20 people. Among them, 16 people drank 1 to 5 cups of coffee or caffeinated drinks every day. 4 people did not touch caffeine at all. The entire group was subjected to repetitive transcranial magnetic stimulation, RTMS. Scientists used such stimulation to mimic the brain's readiness to learn. After stimulation, the team looked for signs of electrical impulses in the nervous system to measure LTP. In people who did not drink caffeine-containing drinks, the effects of LTP were much stronger. According to scientists, regular stimulation with large amounts of caffeine may negatively affect the brain, but for now this is only a hypothesis. These preliminary data highlight the need to directly test the effects of caffeine in well-designed studies. The obtained results theoretically suggest that chronic use of caffeine may limit the ability to learn or neuroplasticity of the brain, the researchers write in the published article. However, this study has some limitations. First of all, only 20 people took part in it. Additionally, participants self-reported how many caffeinated drinks they consumed each day, meaning the researchers were unable to determine how different doses of caffeinated drinks actually influenced long-term synaptic strengthening. Nevertheless, this work was a pilot study aimed at formulating hypotheses. Scientists intend to conduct further research in this direction, but in future studies, the timing of caffeine consumption and its dose are to be strictly regulated. A better understanding of how caffeine alters fundamental mechanisms of learning and memory deserves further attention, the researchers wrote.